Hello, today I am going to draw a nice house which is very elementary. Let's start the drawing. First we are going to draw the basic shapes. So let's start from the inclined roof. You can see. So I am going to draw another parallel one. Then I am going to draw the inclined one here and another line here. I am doing the freehand sketch so that you can learn this way, and in this way you can draw anywhere, any place without any instruments. Alright, let's draw a vertical line and another vertical line here. Alright, and we're going to put the window on top, another window on top here. Then let's put two straight lines. So one is like this and another one is going to be the parallel of the previous one. Alright, now we're going to put the doors and the door knob. Let's put the windows, another window here. And we connect this point, so the main shape of the house is done. Let's draw this one to the bottom and another one here. Okay, so you can see another line segment we can put here. Let's put few vertical segments like this to show the outside arena, which is open to sky. This is the portico or the top part of the veranda. Okay, under this shade we can draw a nice car which is just parked here, and we can put the tires. All right, there's a another structure, as you can see. Sometimes this is used as a chimney, and we are going to draw another vertical line like straight to the ground from the top, and we're going to draw a triangle on top. Let's connect it. This is like a tower house. As you know, you can see a door at the bottom with a doorknob and the window here, another window here, and the extension at the back with a special design for the access to the outdoor arena. If you like, you can put few plants here. Okay, so as you know, this is very elementary and the drawing is fine. Now we are going to put some colors to show the drawing in a nice way. Let's draw the windows and the doors with the blue color, but first we're going to draw the windows here. So we're putting blue colors for all the windows. As you know, when you put the colors, the drawing becomes nice and visually attractive. That's why color is always important. Okay. These lines, you can see it's like little dark lines of the wooden panel. All right, we're seeing this wooden panel from the sides. Let's put the same color for the doors and the windows too. All right, so the frame is done. Now we are going to put another color, but before that let's put the dark red color for the pitched roof part, as you can see here. So I'm putting the colors for the roof tiles and the pitched roof part. All right, so you can see the house is getting nice and nice. We can put the purple color for the whole building. Let's put it here. So the purple is nice. Also putting purple for these border lines. All right. So the outside drawing, it's in progress. This is the chimney. All right, we can put some green colors for the greeneries here, the little flowers and the little plant. Also we're putting the dark green for the cars, as you can see here. The tires are going to be black and the glasses are going to be blue. The ground, we can use the crayon color to draw the ground very easily with a few strokes. This is a deep color and we're putting a light strokes with the crayon. All right, the drawing is looking nice and shining. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel if you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.